To use the embroidery machine, first plug in the machine and turn it on. Prepare the chosen frame for the project and loosen the screw on the frame. Place the fabric right side up on the outer frame. Press the inner frame into the outer frame. Make sure the two parts are pushed all the way together. Lightly tighten the screw and pull the edges of the fabric until it is taut and there are no wrinkles. For different frame sizes, unscrew the two back screws to slide the arm and fit a different frame. Lock the frame into the arm by sliding it under the clasps, then click it over the metal knobs. Slide a piece of stabilizer under the fabric. Touch the screen to get started. Press OK. You can use the design software and create your own design. Save your design on a USB drive which can be plugged into the side. Press the USB icon to open your files. Choose your design and press Set. From there you can edit. Delete any part of the design you do not want. The machine also has many built-in designs. First are complex designs to embroider. Press Return to get back to the home screen. There are borders in different shapes, embroidery stitches and buttonholes, letters for names and words. Make appliqué letters right on the machine. You can also make monograms. Choose the amount of letters. Press the letter and change the size to fit the frame. Choose the middle letter, then the final letter. Press Set when done. The next page is editing. Change the color with the color icon and press OK. Change the size if needed. You can also rotate the design. Add more to the design by pressing Add. Choose a border under monograms. Choose a design and press Set. This can be edited the same as before. When finished editing, press Edit End, then press Embroidery. The colors will need to be set. Press OK. Each spool is marked with a number. Match the number to the part of the design for the correct color. For this example, the blue is number 4 and the green is number 3. On the machine, the green is set as number 1. Change it by pressing the wand icon. Press the color to change and choose the correct number. Before embroidering, note the duration and the stitch count. Write them down for the library on the provided form. When ready, press Lock and then the Start button. The machine will embroider the design. When finished, press OK. Remove the frame from the machine by pushing down with your thumbs and pushing up with your fingers. Slide the frame over the knobs and out of the metal clasps. If using tear-away stabilizer, tear off the excess stabilizer. Loosen the screw on the frame and remove the fabric. The project is now complete.